Hello everyone, I am Keerthana. My teammates are Deeksha, Ekta, and Disha. Today we are going to present our topic that is GMinsta, which is a mini social media app. So, moving to the introduction part. In the introduction, we will see what is GMinsta. GMinsta is a mini social media app where it will be specially developed for the GM University students, where it is similar to the Instagram, but they can share the posts and they can like the photos and they can chat with the other friends of the GM University only, where it provides a private platform for the students where they can interact with easily and they can get connected with the updates also. So then the problem statement. Thus, nowadays, students always use the public social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, and all. But there is no any kind of separate app for the college students, right? So we need to maintain a app for the students, which is for because of the privacy. Because the public social media apps, which may related with the unwanted content also, and there may be some privacy problems also arises, so that's why we need a student uh, only platform. We need a student only platform, so that's why we created this GM Insta app, which solves these kinds of problems and gives updated update any updation done in the college area campus. And next slide will be continued by Disha.
Hello everyone, I am Disha. Now I will continue with the objectives. The main objectives of our system includes creating a student social media app. So social media app, it means it is similar to Instagram and Facebook. It has it allows for the post sharing where the student can easily share or post their contents. Next, it provides chatting features where the students can freely chat uh, and provide messages, and it easy and simple interface. It has a simple user interface which becomes compatible to use with every age groups. Next, secure login system. It has authentication systems to secure the user data and better communication. As it allows for the chatting and post, it becomes a better for communication. Next slide. Next, moving to the features of GM Insta. So it has the features like user registration, where the user can register themselves, and then the login system, where they can log in and use the GM Insta. Upload post, where they can post and upload their contents, likes and comment. Next is chat with friends. They can easily chat with their friends and um, make new friends. View profile, they can view other friends profile also, then it has logout. Next slide will be continued by Deeksha.
Good evening, I'm Diksha. Today I'm going to explain the technologies used. In this project, we used modern web technologies to build an efficient system. For the front end, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This helps in designing the user interface and making the website interactive. For the backend, we used Node.js, which handles the server side logic and processes user requests. For the database, we used MongoDB. It stores all the data in a flexible and scalable way. For UI design, we use CSS and Tailwind CSS, which help in creating a clean, responsive, and attractive design. Next slide. System architecture. A system follows a three-tier architecture which divides the system into three parts. First is the presentation layer, which includes user screens. This is what the user sees and interacts with. Second is the business layer, which contains the server logic. It processes user requests and control how the system works. Third is the data layer, which is the database. It stores and manages all the data. This architecture makes the system well organized, easy to manage, and scalable. Next slide will be continued by Ekta.
So moving to the UI and UX design, here we will see the real-time working of our GM Insta app. So here it is. So this is the what the home page of our app, where it asks the user to register or log in itself, because if the student has already account, then he can log in, he or she can log in here. Otherwise he can create an account in the here, and then he can create an account and you can use this app GMinsta. So I have already created account, so that's why I'm logging in. So after logging in, this is the page where it shows like an similar to the Instagram, where you can have this search bar where you can search the campus people and club and all. And this is the home screen, which will be easier. This is a navigation bar where you can easily navigate through this icons for chat, for people. You can chat with the people where you are connected, and then this is for logout, and this is the student profile I have created here. It can shows the whatever the number of posts you can have, and the total number of followers and the following numbers. And this is what the feed in your account is going here. Then here is profile. You can see by clicking on your profile, you can if you want to change any kind of changes in this profile, you can do like editing profile full name you want to change, and you can add the picture to your account. Then you can add the bio here, like you can see your post like this kind of a thing. Then then moving to the home screen again, and you can chat with the person by clicking here. You can chat with the person you are going in inside the campus. uh, can do messages here also. You can like the posts and you can comment down, and all you can do, you can share the post to the others also. These are the options that will be available in our GM Insta. And then this is what our GM Insta is. And you can also explore the events that are happening in our campus. This is also a kind of a feature that will be available in our GM Insta. So then next part will be continued by Ekta.
Hello everyone, I'm Ekta. So we'll see the database design. So we have used the MongoDB to store the data in the form of collections, and there are four main collections: user, post, comment, and messages. User will store the account details. Post will store the user content, and comments will store the interactions, and messages will handle the chat. And all the collections are connected logically, which helps in efficient data management. And this design makes the system fast, flexible, and secure. Next slide. So moving on to the advantages and future scope. The system is easy to use with the simple interface, and it provides the fast performance, and user data is kept secure, and the UI is clean and user friendly. And in the future we can add features like reels, notifications, and stories. We can also develop a mobile app version to improve the accessibility, and this feature will make the system more advanced. uh, by this we can conclude that GM Insta is a mini social media app which is developed using this system in software principles, sorry, software engineering principles. And it will allow the users to connect, share the post, and communicate. And the project follows proper steps like design and database planning. It is simple but gives a clear idea of real world application development, and it can be further improved by adding more features in the future. Thank you.